How do folks? Long time since I updated. Been super busy, and last weekend I didn't get the spares I needed, so yeah, I took some overtime at work. Small update. Finally got both indicators on. Got this for free from my old mate, so that's a good thing. I made a new bracket for the cluster here. Those cable here wouldn't go past it. So, and my OCD kicked in. Now they are equal distance from the center, and yeah, it's not original, but closer than before. Now, there's a starter motor on it. Didn't get the one for 300 kronos, but 450 kronos. And yeah, seeing he's the only one at the Danish version of Craigslist that had one, I had to buy it. And other than that, yeah, still a mess. Gaskets, I've waited 14 days or more for my local dealer to get it from his dealer, the main supplier for Denmark in unoriginal spares and OEM spares. And he had it on back order, they have it on back order. Yeah, he said it could be after my summer holiday I got them. So I went yet another time to the Danish Craigslist Blå Avis, and some guy on Fyn, that's 100 kilometers from here, had 2 gaskets kits for 300 kronos. That's what I have to pay for one kit. So that's a good result, and I got gaskets for the rest of my life. Did buy some new nuts and bolts and washers, 8 and 6 mil. Already start using these. And yeah, new chain, Chinese piece of crap, but I hope it will last. Pointer here, condenser somewhere, fuel line. Yeah, everything I need is bought. Battery and acid standing there. Basically, I've got everything now. It's just the small matter of putting it all together. And yeah, posting bin today, package from the UK, and this from the Bay of E, a new Haynes manual for the bike. So stick around.